Today may be the last Sunday of empty seats and pews for churches and other houses of worship. Last week, President Trump deemed churches as essential, allowing them to resume services. On Saturday, Minnesota Governor Tim Walz announced houses of worship can conduct services starting Wednesday, but encourages them to use CDC guidelines. Our Maria Bray is in the studio with what those guidelines include. Cam.
Baird, starting Wednesday, houses of worship can open their doors to 10 or more people with a maximum of 25% occupancy. On Friday, the CDC released new guidelines on what churches should reconsider before reopening. Now, other than the basic requirements such as social distancing, increasing hygiene, and wearing masks, they want houses of worship to consider limit items that are often touched like books and religious rugs and hymnals. They encourage printing copies for members or projecting it on a screen for those to see. Also limiting physical touch such as handshakes, hugs, or kissing. And if food is prepared, to serve it in a package. Last week, Commissioner Steve Rhodes said singing in churches should also be reconsidered.
We got to limit things like singing in those environments, which of course is just such a great part about church or celebration. But when you look at the data on the choirs that have just been sort of total hotspots for spread, even when social distancing existed, singing is one of the worst things that you can do.
On Saturday, Governor Walz said that religious groups have a choice to open or not, but encourages them to be aware that cases might rise within large group gatherings.
Many of these congregations have gone to great length to think about this. I would also like to say many have made a choice and will continue to make the choice to not open for large gatherings. And there is no requirement, obviously, to open. These are choices that need to be made.
We checked to see what local churches are considering. On your screen, you can see a Facebook post from Holy Spirit Catholic Church in Rochester saying a committee will meet on Wednesday to talk about reopening plans. And as of Friday, they are not ready to have public masses. And the Co-Cathedral of St. John the Evangelist is also working to create a plan for public masses. Reporting live in the studio, I'm Maria Bray, KTTC News.